What's up, you guys? We finally made it to the first night school. Today is February 25th, and we're covering the basics of photography. I'm super excited. We are getting this class out of automatic mode straight into manual, teaching them all things foundations of photography. Let's get into it. Super excited to have all you guys here. I love hearing about each and every single one of your backgrounds. Whether you are having that mindset of I kind of know this already, or I'm just starting out, there's always something to learn when you understand the foundations of how cameras work and exactly what you're doing. Okay guys, we're about to start practicing now. After we've already gone over the class and talked about some of the details on how to actually compose a shot, set your lighting, all the things, let's put into action.
I love the class today. Mecca is super knowledgeable. It's been great to be inside the new studios and see all that as well and get the practical experience today.
I'm really enjoying the class so far. Our host is really, really sweet and she's very knowledgeable about everything she's talking about, and I just find it really interesting just getting to learn again and also being around a lot of cool people who are equally interested in this topic.
On behalf of Clarke Studios, they print out these beautiful certificates because give it up for yourselves. Let's clap it up. Y'all, that is a wrap. Class is over. This was absolutely incredible. If you missed this, you just missed out. Let's just say that. You just missed out on something amazing. So many takeaways from what we learned, from learning about ISOs, the apertures, to everything in between to really take your photography skills to the next level. Make sure you're at the next one. I'll see you guys next month. Peace out. Night school!